Hello friends, I want to talk to you today about an activity that's going to go along with your nonfiction book that you are writing. In our class, we always do something called a diorama, which is basically a habitat scenery in a box. And we use shoe boxes or small box, whatever box you can find. And a diorama is made to display your animal's habitat. So for instance, let's say that you have a toucan. A toucan is a bird that often lives in the Amazon rainforest, okay? So if you had a toucan, you would want to make your diorama to look like the habitat in the rainforest, okay? So you could have all kinds of vines hanging. Now you can use any kind of art supplies or whatever you can find, rocks, shells, whatever you're doing for your habitat. You can find them, sometimes you can find them around your house, sticks, twigs, whatever, or you can buy them, but a lot of times you can find what you need around your house. You can paint things, you can use little plastic animal pieces, whatever you want. Okay, so say I'm doing a toucan habitat in the rainforest. So I've got all these vines hanging down, which are leaves, because there's lots of that in the rainforest. Okay, and then I might have some different kinds of plants in the rainforest, because the rainforest has all kinds of plants. And then I could put my toucan here, okay? So basically you want to make your shoebox diorama look like the habitat of your animal. Okay, if you have a giraffe, you're going to make it look like Africa, what it looks like in Africa. If you have a dolphin, you're going to make it look like an ocean scenery. Okay, Mrs. Bowen's also going to put some example pictures on Remind for your parents to look at from past dioramas that kids have made in my class. Okay, so basically you're taking a shoebox and you're using craft materials, whatever you can find, to create a habitat for your animal. And when we do our author celebration and we share our books, we're also going to share our dioramas. That's usually our big celebration at the end of the year. And parents come in and grandparents come in and we share everything. We have to do it a little bit differently this time, but I still want to make sure that we're sharing all the great work we're doing. Okay? Again, if mom or dad have a question, they can ask me, but I'm going to send pictures to show what past dioramas have looked like. It's a really fun project. I know one student has already started hers. So I'm really anxious to see your dioramas. We'll be working on these for a couple weeks along with the books, so then in our 2-week period, we'll be ready to plan our author celebration.